I've been speed cubing for over 14 years, so in my time I've collected a lot of different Rubik's Cubes. Some really good, some not so good. Nowadays, when I go to a competition, half the competitors weren't even born when I started cubing. A lot of these cubers started at a time when hardware was already pretty good, so they wouldn't have experienced some of the pretty average speed cubes that we were using in the early 2010s. I thought it would be fun to get some of these young cubers to try out cubes from the year they were born, to see if they could still get good times on them. What's your name and what year were you born?
Hi, my name is Ted. I was born in 2013.
Alright, and what do you average on 3x3?
Around like 20s.
Okay.
Sort of like. I'm not that fast.
Alright, well, do you want to see what time you can get on a cube from 2013?
Sure.
Alright.
That's the challenging.
How'd you like the cube?
I think it's very slippery.
Yeah.
It's very slippery and I couldn't see half of the colors because of the white background.
Okay. Alright. Alright, so what's your name and what year were you born?
Jaden in 2012.
Okay. Do you want to do a solve with a cube from 2012?
Sure.
What's your normal average?
30 or 20 seconds.
Okay. $31. Do you like the cube? So, what's your name and what year were you born?
I'm Tyler and I was born in 2011.
And what do you average on 3x3?
30 to 20 to 30.
Okay. Do you want to see what time you can get on my cube from 2011?
Okay.
Alright, I'll scroll it for you. Good job. How'd you like the cube?
It was pretty nice.
Okay, that's surprising. It's a
Not bad.
Diane Zanchi.
Yeah.
Roman, what do you average on 3x3?
3x3, probably low mid-9.
Okay. What's your name and what year were you born?
My name is Miles and I was born in 2010.
And what year were you born?
2010.
And what do you average on 3x3?
Around 10, 11 seconds.
Alright, I want you to see what time you can get on my main speed cube from 2010.
Sure.
As you can see, I used it a lot.
Okay.
It is the Diane Guhong, which was a revolutionary cube when it came out.
Wait,
And as you can see, it has been used a lot.
Barely see which pieces are white or not.
Oh, it's not the greatest.
No.
It's hard to see, see the colors. Wait, what? I actually cannot tell. Oh no.
Alright.
16.39.
What? Okay. 26.06.
Do you like the cube?
The turning it's not that bad. It's just being able to see.
Yeah.
See, but you're.
Yeah, the
looking at-
stickers probably need replacing. I don't know how I got away with that in competition. You want to try again on a better Guhong?
Yes, I would love
All
to.
right.
Okay, this looks a bit better. I can see the colors well. All right, let's see. Oops.
There we go.
11.52.
That's not bad. Phoenix, you're the 303 OCR holder.
Yep.
And what would you say you average on 303?
Around high 6, low 7.
And what year were you born?
2009.
All right, well, this
An
is
alpha?
Yeah, it's a cube from 2009. See what time you get on that.
Alright, let's try this. An 8.48.
That's pretty good. Charlie Eggins, the 303 blindfold single world record holder. What do you average on 3x3 usually?
Usually around like 7 flat, so like 7.0 seconds, yeah.
What year were you born?
2009.
All right. This is my cube from 2009.
There's no way.
So see what time you get on that.
Oh yeah, that's so good.
This was one of the best two cubes in 2009.
What's it called?
Type F2.
I'm about to type F into the timer because it's a bad time. Oh, all of the things look white. Okay, let's see what I get.
Yeah, I use it a lot.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. Ah, 12.28. That's
what-
lower than the world record.
What did you think? Good cube?
Probably good for when I was born, yeah.
Now try to solve with my first 303 from 2009. Oh no. Okay, yeah, it is really bad.
I'll still do a solve on it though. It might just take a little bit. Oh no. Okay, let's try this. First off, I can't even, the red is completely discolored.
The purple, yeah. Well, it's the
purple.
one opposite the orange.
I guess it's one way to put it. I'll go yellow first. Okay, let's see how this goes. It's, what was your best time on this that you ever got?
I don't remember.
No, it's because of the colors, I think.
No, I think I just popped an edge out, scrambling and put it in the wrong way.
Oh, that's fine. I'll still sub 2 it.
So two.
Oh, sub 1. Maybe. Nah. I mean, I didn't feel like putting the edge back in.
Yeah.
Quite a big difference. What cube would this be? Like a
This was like a dollar store cube.
from 2009 or 2007.
2008. Probably was when it was bought.
This cube is older than me.
Yep. Even though a lot of these cubes I used to use were pretty terrible, these young cubers can still get faster times on them than I ever could. So clearly I just need to practice more. If you like this video, please subscribe because I've got plenty more coming out. So I'll see you next time.